Hi guys, a bit of a strange customer review here for you today, or I shouldn't say strange, but out of the ordinary. Sorry for the echo, I am in my bathroom. This is our toilet. We spent a lot of time selecting toilets in our recent renovation, to match the rest of the decor. You can actually see here, very contemporary, straight lines, all that sort of stuff. So, and there's the shower. So coming back to the toilet, we wanted a toilet that was robust, would last the test of time, both for style and comfort and durability. We went with this one because, I'll lift the lid here, you have obviously the soft close. So you've got the soft close lid. And then we wanted a toilet where inside the bowl, this is probably something that not many people think about, but when we actually use the toilet, the waste goes into the water rather than hitting a big bit of porcelain at the back here. So a lot of toilets now scoop out and then the water's at the front here, which means that your waste hits the porcelain and smears, and you've got to clean every single time. We hate that. So we went this way. The other thing that I would point out is the hinges. So the hinges now have been changed. This system I don't like. So this system is actually, it's a chrome plated metal attachment point, and it does get a little bit pitted with time and use. But more importantly, it's a little bit tricky to clean around. They have since switched this. A lot of customer feedback apparently, and they've switched it over. So that's the one thing that I would point out, is that they've fixed a fault in the design. The other thing I would show you is this. At the top of the cistern, this big chunky base is just sat there. So that means that if it was to get a hard knock, which obviously it doesn't, but it could come off and land on the tiles and crack. They've since changed that as well. So they've gone to a very slimline, more fitted lid on the cistern. So I hope that helps, guys. I know it's an unusual one, but good luck with your toilet hunting. I definitely recommend this one. You'll be extremely happy.